Today's recipe on the Sober Chef, Saffron Ice Coffee. Yes, that's right, you heard correctly. Saffron Ice Coffee. You take some saffron, like so. Okay, that's, believe it or not, a pretty serious dose right there. All right, it's pretty rock star. And there's some ice in there. There you go, a little coffee in there. And a mixer ball. Yeah, you gotta add your mixer ball. That's it. I'm gonna put this cover on here. Hang on a second. There we go. Oh yeah. Saffron Ice Coffee. I'll tell you. A little shake. Give her a test here. Oh, time for the test. Okay, that is absolutely magnificent. Wow. All right. There you have it. Saffron Ice Coffee. There's your ingredients. Saffron and ice coffee.